Hi everybody, this is Janet D, the PT. As a licensed physical therapist, I get asked all the time about what kind of exercises I should be doing, or what should I be doing at the club, at the sports center. What should I be doing to stay active? Okay? Guess what? I'm going to let you in. You know what you should be doing? All right? You ready? Yoga. Okay? Why you need yoga. Okay? I get it. I totally get it. From the outside looking in, yoga looks like, come on, all they're doing is stretching, right? What's with this breathing stuff? What is going on with those slow motions? Like, how can you get a great workout doing yoga? Guess what? I'm going to tell you, okay? Yoga has so many benefits for everybody at every level. Ready? Here you go. Okay, why you need yoga. Okay, for those slow and controlled movements, guess what? Your muscles will fatigue so fast and you won't even know it. You won't even know how tired you are until you're already done with the workout. Okay, yoga provides those mindful movements. So, like, really thinking about, okay, how much weight am I putting on my left foot versus my right foot? Okay. Like I was saying, yoga can be modified to anybody's level, okay? I mean, you could not have exercised for years and there's still a yoga program that can work for you, okay? For those who need to find and feel your imbalances, okay? So as a physical therapist, I love yoga moves and practices for my clients, especially for this, okay? Because when we start talking about somebody being in pain or being off balance, off kilter, it's usually because what is going on within their body that makes them feel like they're shifted, but they feel center. Okay. So yoga really kind of tunes you in to find and feel your imbalances. So then that way we could rewire your brain and those movement patterns to either get you out of pain or to perform your sport at a higher level, right? And also, yoga is famous for this meditation and the quiet time. Okay, so some people love to power through a workout, right? They love blasting their music and lifting the weights and everything. But why is yoga so essential is because of this meditation and this quiet time, okay? In this time of social media and everything going, all this noise, a pandemic, all this stress, like, when are we finding our quiet time? Okay, yoga is kind of like a twofer, okay? It gives you a great exercise while also providing you that downtime, that quiet time that you probably don't even think that you need, but your body is craving it. And by taking a step back, your body is actually able to propel forward. All right, so if you really like this video, go ahead and press like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and neighbors. Janet D, the PT.